Hey everyone, Seth here with BSTechTalk. Welcome back for the showcase of the finished upgrade of Grayson. I'm really glad to have this upgrade finished. What may have seemed like just a few minutes of work in the last video was actually about a week-long project for me. So I'm glad to have this done so I can get them back on the desk and enjoy them. So without further ado, here's the finished product. So there you have it. That's how this machine is going to look until the next time I upgrade it. I usually upgrade about twice a year, so stay tuned to see what happens to it next. Like the video if you like it. Dislike the video if you thought it was bad. Subscribe if you want to see more. Hit us on Twitter if you want to interact with us or if you have any questions about Grayson. That's it for me. I'm going to get on out of here. Thank you for watching.